Hello everyone. Today I will show you a small trick for the onions for your salad. So it will make your onion a little bit smooth, with no bitter at all, anything, and remain crunchy. We just need onion, a peeler, potato peeler. We just do slices, place them in cold water, and they just remain crunchy as you see it. Perfect slices, no bitterness, anything. It just are very nice for your salad. I hope you like it and just do it, try it. Thank you, bye.